Hello viewers, welcome to AQC Group. Today we are going to see September 1, 2020 coconut, copra, tender coconut wholesale procurement price for various states across India. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. First we are going to see September 1st, 2020 Karnataka copra wholesale procurement price. Tiptur copra minimum price 100, maximum price 103 rupees 5 paise. Puttur minimum price 40, maximum price 105. Tiptur ball minimum price 101, maximum price 103 rupees per kg. Nagamangala minimum price 75, maximum price 98 rupees 50 paise. Turvikeri minimum price 102, maximum price 103. Arsikeri minimum price 94, maximum price 101 rupees 25 paise per kg. Kunigal maximum price 107, Tiptur Marigo maximum price 98. Chennaraipatna ball maximum price 90 rupees per kg. Carpet maximum price 106 rupees 50 paise. Kadur maximum price 90. Tiptur Copra Kotu maximum price 80 rupees per kg. Gubi ball maximum price 95. Tiptur edible maximum price 100 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see September 1st 2020 Kerala copra wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. Neelishwaram minimum price 96, maximum price 100. Carafe maximum price 109 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see September 1st 2020 Karnataka tender coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. To get the daily updates, subscribe our channel. Srirangapatna minimum price 10, maximum price 12. Carpet minimum price 6, maximum price 20. Malur minimum price 18, maximum price 23 rupees per number. Pandavapura minimum price 12, maximum price 19. Chennaraipatna maximum price 10. Sante Sargur maximum price 9 rupees per number. Next we are going to see September 1st 2020 Punjab tender coconut wholesale procurement price. To get the daily market updates, subscribe our channel AQC Group. In Jalandhar minimum price 15, maximum price 18 rupees per number. Next we are going to see September 1st 2020 Karnataka coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. Beltangadi minimum price 14, maximum price 16. Chikbellapur minimum price 8, maximum price 25. Carpet minimum price 12, maximum price 14 rupees per number. Ramanagara minimum price 7, maximum price 14 rupees 80 paise. Sira minimum price 8 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 18. Malur minimum price 9, maximum price 13 rupees per number. Chennaraipatna minimum price 10, maximum price 14 rupees 40 paise. Sulya minimum price 6, maximum price 14. Tumkur minimum price 8 rupees 50 paise, maximum price 19 rupees 50 paise per number. Puttur minimum price 8, maximum price 13 rupees 50 paise. Tarikeri maximum price 10. Gundlupet maximum price 8 rupees per number. Nagamangala maximum price 10. Hassan maximum price 20. Sante Sargur maximum price 8 rupees per number. Hansur maximum price 12. Kolalkiri maximum price 9. Gubbi maximum price 15 rupees per number. Davanagiri maximum price 7. Kadur maximum price 10. Harihara maximum price 7 rupees per number. Next we are going to see September 1st 2020 Kerala coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. Vadakancheri minimum price 40, maximum price 44. Chavakat minimum price 34, maximum price 40. Adirampula minimum price 38, maximum price 40 rupees per kg. Neelishwaram minimum price 32, maximum price 36. Arur minimum price 30, maximum price 32. Irinjalakuda maximum price 42 rupees per kg. Next we are going to see September 1st 2020 Punjab coconut wholesale procurement price for various places. In Jalandhar minimum price 20, maximum price 30 rupees per kg. To get the latest agricultural news and daily market updates of various agricultural commodities, kindly subscribe our channel AQC Group. Do watch and share this video to the farming community. Thanks for watching.